In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Go High Level. Now, whether you're gathering insights from your customers or engaging with your audience, surveys can be an incredibly powerful tool. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Go High Level. Once you hit enter, look for the official website, www.gohighlevel.com, and go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, navigate to the Sites tab located in the menu on the left. Within that tab, you'll see an option labeled Surveys. Go ahead and click on Builder to access the survey creation dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To create a new survey, click Add Survey. You'll be prompted with the choice to either start from scratch with a blank template or choose from a selection of pre-designed templates. If you're new to creating surveys, a template might be a good choice, but starting from a blank slate allows for the most customization. Once your survey is open in the editor, you'll notice a section labeled Fields. This is your toolbox for creating questions. You can drag and drop standard fields, like name or email, directly into your survey. But if you need something more specific, feel free to create your own custom fields. This flexibility allows you to tailor questions that best gather the information you need. If you wish to edit any of the elements you've added, simply click on them. Doing so opens the editing options on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you can modify text, tweak labels, and specify different types of fields, ensuring that everything aligns with your objectives. For surveys that require breaking down into sections or steps, use the plus button to add new slides. This feature is especially helpful for creating multi-step surveys, making them not only more aesthetically appealing, but also more user-friendly. Furthermore, if you want to guide respondents through a tailored experience, you can apply conditional logic. This directs them to specific questions or sections based on their previous answers, enhancing the survey's interactivity. To make your survey visually appealing, go to the Styles and Options menu at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can change the survey's design, add your logo, and experiment with various fonts and themes until you find a style that reflects your brand or intention perfectly. Once you've built and customized your survey to your satisfaction, remember to save it. Saving ensures you won't lose any hard work and enables you to revisit and adjust your survey as needed. You'll then find your survey easily accessible in the main surveys section under the Builder tab, ready to be shared with your target audience. And there you have it, creating a survey in Go High Level made simple and effective.